Okay, continuing with the same chapter. During the 32nd minute, Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goal post from a difficult angle. Roop Singh he scored in 32 seconds, that is first goal, hitting from difficult angle. Okay. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. Firm footing means they were comfortable with the wet ground now. The entire team played as one and made 3 more goals against Germany. Okay, Indian team made 3 goals against Germany. 2 of them were made by the captain of the Indian team, Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was a captain of the match and he made more 2 goals. Sorry. However, the Germany player were also trying their level best to win. They too succeeded in making 1 goal. Now, only a few last minutes were left. Dhyan Chand had resolved to win the match at any cost without allowing Germany to make any more goals. His spike shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on the wet ground. He removed the shoes and the socks and began to run barefoot. Using his amazing skills of dribbling and his near magical game, he began to send one pass after another to the players in the D, that is, in the defenders or opponents' areas from where they could make goals. They too did not let the passes go waste. The Indian team scored 3 more goals. Dhyan Chand could have easily made the goals himself from his own position, but he never played a selfish game. Skillfully, he took the ball away from the German defender and made it possible for the player in the D to score goal. Now, students, resolved. Underline resolved. Resolve means to decide something and determine not to change your mind. Okay, students, you must have seen the sport person who are wearing such kind of spike shoes. Spike shoes, here it is given. Spike shoes they are wearing so that it should not be difficult to them to play, as they have to play on a ground. Here also Dhyan Chand was wearing spike shoes during his game. Okay, and there after removing that shoes, he removed his shoes and he was playing with barefoot means what? Wearing nothing on the feet, wearing nothing on the feet. He was without shoes. He was running and using his amazing skills to play. Okay, and dribbling means a trick strategy was used to play a game. So he began to send one pass. He was playing with the players and he is passing the ball. Okay, in the D, that means defender or opponents areas he was playing. Then they were not wasting the balls, and the Indian team scored 3 more goals that time. Dhyan Chand could have made the goals easily. He made the goals from his own position. He made the goal, and his skillful technique he was using. He took skillfully he took the ball away from the German defender and made it skillfully. He has taken the ball from German player, and made it possible for the game in the D to score goals. He made the more goals. Okay. The German strategy had proved fruitless. Fruitless means unless unproductive. Okay, a defeat stared them in the face. Now they were very afraid that they will. German were very afraid that they will lose the game. Some of the frustrated German players then resorted to a rough game. The German keeper pounced on Dhyan Chand and hurt him. But Dhyan Chand was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he immediately returned to the field and held the spectators. Spectators means the in on the stadiums where the people are sitting. Okay, spellbound with his game. At last, he scored the last goal of the match just as the game drew to a close. The Indian team had won third time in a row. Again, the Indian team had made the score. Okay, it was a hat trick. Indians were the third time winner of the Olympic gold medal. Okay, then Dhyan Chand was playing such a nice game that every spectator in the stadium, spectator mean I said that people in the stadium, okay, was spellbound by his game. Spellbound means hold the attention of someone though by a magic. It was a magic that he was holding the attention of everyone. Okay, and everyone was fascinated by his game. At last, Indian team won the Olympic game in 1936. That was a proud moment for all of us. Okay, now although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over, he was impressed by Dhyan Chand's game. Hitler was very impressed. He was a ruler of Germany, and he was very impressed by Dhyan Chand. It is said that German dictator had offered Dhyan Chand a higher salary. He offered him higher salary and rank in the German army. He offered him in a German army also if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany. But Dhyan Chand turned